Hello students, I am your Maths Yogi Samanto. Hope you are all well. Dear students, you have learned in the last video how to draw double bar graph. Okay, so today I am going to discuss what is pie chart and questions related to pie chart. This is self practice 19C. Dear students, when we will represent any data in a circle, we will call that is pie chart. So open self practice 19C. Question number 1. Bonnie surveyed his classmates on their favorite outdoor activities and made a circle graph. That means the pie chart based on his survey. Use the graph to answer the questions. First, understand the pie chart. This is called a pie chart. This is called a pie chart. Is it clear? So, what is the pie chart about? This is about favorite outdoor activities: skating, hiking, cycling, fishing. Okay. So, dear students, you can see if we divide it in this way. So, this portion is half portion. That means this portion students are like to skate. Okay, their favorite activities is skating. This portion of students favorite activity hiking. This portions of student favorite activity cycling, and this portions of students favorite activity fishing. So from here what we can see, if the space or the area is more, that means number of student is more. Keep in your mind, if the area is more, number of student is more. Now come to the question. A. What fraction of Bonnie's classmate choose hiking? So just see here. If we divide this, okay, in this way, that means how many part here? This is 1/4 part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1/4 part. Okay, so write the answer: 1/4 part of Bonnie's classmates choose hiking. Next, B. What fraction said skating was their favorite activity? So what fraction? Skating, you can see here. If we divide it, the circle, into two equal parts, the half part here for skating. So half part, then 1/2 part. Half of the students, if we divide it, it becomes the half portion, half of area of the circle. Then this is half part. Next, which activity was the least favorite? That means whose area is least? Whose area is least? Cycling. Just see here, the green part is very small part. So this is the least favorite, right? Answer: cycling. Next, D. Which outdoor activity was the most popular among Bonnie's classmates? Most popular, that means which takes more area? Skating. Obviously, you can see here this portion is most. Okay. E. Which activity was better liked? Hiking or fishing? Just see the area. This is the area for hiking and this is the area for fishing. So which is more? Obviously this is more. So which activity was better liked? So answer will be hiking. Is it clear? Now question number 2. Priya tracked the time she spent on homework per topic during 1 week. Answer the questions based on the pie chart given on the next page. Here this is the pie chart. Just see the pie chart properly. Time spent on homework. This is the title. So what you can see here: history 22%, health 10%, Hindi 28%, art 14%, science 11%. Okay, that means if the total time is 100, suppose 100 minutes, 22 minutes spent on history homework, 10 minutes spent on health homework, 28 minutes spent on Hindi homework, like this. But in English there is nothing written. So dear students, if we add this 22, 10, 28, 14, 11, we will get 85. And percent means 100. So total is 100. So here these are 85. So the left portion is 15. This is for English. Write on your book, this 15% is not written. So how we get 15? So percent means 100 and the sum of this 85. So 100 minus 85, 15%. Now come to the question. Between history and Hindi, which topic took longer or did they require equal time? So just see, history 22% and Hindi 28%. So which topic took longer? Obviously Hindi. So write the answer, Hindi. Next, B. What percent of time did Priya spend on English and health homework? Just see here, health 10% and 15% for English. So what percent of time? So on both. So what we will do? Just write for English 15%, for health 10%. So total 25%. Question C. Which of the pairs, history and Hindi or science and art, took longer or were they equally time consuming? So just see here, history and Hindi, history 22, Hindi 28. So what will be their sum? So it will be 50. Okay, so for history and Hindi, total time 50. And science and art, just see, for science and art, here 11 and here 14, so it will be 25. So which of the pairs took longer? So obviously 50 is longer. So which pair? History and Hindi. Write the answer, history and Hindi. So dear students, I hope you have understood the class properly, and the left question we will solve in our Google Meet class. Practice this. Thank you and have a nice day.